Hi, welcome to my channel. Hi. In this video, I'm going to give you 12 life hacks to survive in emergency situations. Sometimes, even well-known recommendations can be wrong and harmful. For instance, applying ice to a bruise is not a good idea, and lifting an unconscious person can lead to severe consequences. Here are the 12 life hacks. Dealing with a foreign object in the eye. If there's something in your eye, like a piece of glass, don't do anything yourself. Have someone drive you to the hospital. If it's just an eyelash, wash your hands, locate the eyelash by looking in a mirror, blink to wash it out, and use a wet piece of cloth to remove it once it's in the corner of your eye. Applying ointment to a wound. Ointments contain unwanted moisture, which is a great environment for bacteria to reproduce quickly. The best thing to do is clean the wound in cool water with soap and put a dry bandage on it. This will help the wound heal more quickly. Rubbing a person with a fever with alcohol or vinegar. Alcohol and vinegar are absorbed into the blood, so rubbing them on a person's skin can lead to intoxication or significantly raise acidity, which is especially dangerous for children. Instead, drink lots of water, tea, and other non-alcoholic fluids, and cool the air in the room to a temperature of 61 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit or from 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. In these conditions, the patient will get over the fever by themselves. If they don't, they should see a doctor. Lifting an unconscious person. If someone faints, don't lift them up. Instead, lift their legs up, unbutton any tight pieces of clothing, and don't let them stand up right after they come around. After they regain consciousness, don't let them drink coffee or energy drinks. Caffeine will only lead to dehydration. Treating burns with butter or sour cream. Many people believe that butter and sour cream are effective because they relieve pain. But they actually dry out your skin and disrupt thermal exchange, causing even more damage. Hold your hand in cool water for 15 minutes instead. This will help with the pain. Setting a bone on your own. Never set a dislocated joint on your own. The best course of action is to immobilize the injured limb and go to the hospital as soon as possible. Bandage the limb in a comfortable position, immobilizing not only the place of possible fracture but also the two closest joints. Applying warmth to a sprain. A warm cloth won't help when your muscles are sprained. Instead, apply cold to lessen the inflammation and kill the pain. Try to use the sprained limb as little as possible for at least the first 48 hours. Making yourself vomit in case of poisoning. Making yourself vomit is strictly prohibited because the poison can get into your lungs and damage them. If someone was poisoned with some chemicals, vomiting doubles the chance of burning your throat. The only smart thing you can do is call an ambulance as fast as possible. Rescuing a drowning person. If you can swim, nothing can stop you from saving someone's life. Approach the person from behind so they don't see you coming. Grab them under the armpits or by the chin and move to the shore, keeping their head at your belly. Pulling out objects from wounds. You can pull a splinter from a finger or a small glass shard from your hand, but don't pull out anything else. Leave it in and go to the hospital. Drinking alcohol to warm up. Alcohol won't help you,